Hey people, this is the first question from Problems in General Physics, IAA Rodov, Chapter 3, Electrodynamics. This problem involves the concept of magnitude of forces, which makes it a very easy one. तो अगर आपको बस इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक और ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्सेस के फॉर्मूले पता है, you have already solved the problem then. So basically, we all need a strategy to solve a problem of any kind, be it a problem in physics or a problem in life, relationship, whatever it is. But there must be a strategy to attack a problem. Now, मेरी strategy क्या रहती है? I always start by by understanding the problem visually. That is, I always try to represent the problem in a diagrammatic form. इस प्रॉब्लम में हम क्या डायग्रामेटिकली कर सकते हैं? We can make two spheres and connect their centers. These spheres are the particles with charge q and mass m, and separated by a distance r. This line is that one along which the force acts. Now, देखा जाए तो we have to calculate forces, the electrostatic and gravitational one. The formula for Coulombic force is given by 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q square, since the charges are same, over r squared, since this is an inverse square law. Same goes for gravitational force, g m square over r square. We have to take the ratio. Let the ratio be denoted by capital R. So it would come out to be q square over m square 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught g. This is the value. Now the problem is asking us to calculate the force on 2 electrons or 2 protons. So we separate the question in two parts. Let us first do for electrons and then for protons. Basically, we have to put the values in q and m. Since this is already a constant, we know its value. So for electrons, the charge is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs, while for protons, it is the same. Charge and electron and protons are the same. So mass of electron is 9.1 to 10 power minus 31 kgs, while mass on a proton is given by 1.672 into 10 power minus 27. A proton is much more massive than electron. That is, it is 10,000 times more massive than an electron. So let's move further than this. So this R for electron would be, we know the value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, and it is 9 into 10 power 9. And G has a value 6.67 into 10 power minus 11. I'm not going into units. It would turn out to be a unitless quantity, this R. This M is this Q. You place the value simply और इसका स्क्वायर कर देंगे. This would turn out to be 4.17 into 10 raised to power 42. And similarly, we do the same procedure for the proton, and the value of this quantity would be 1.235 into 10 power 32. Now let's move to the second part of the problem. It says that the forces have become equal now. That is, Fa has become equal to Fg, or we can say R has become equal to 1. So we would have q square over m square 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught g equal to 1. We have to calculate the specific charge in this situation. So it would be under root 4 pi epsilon naught g. You place the values and you would certainly get 0.868 into 10 raised to power minus 10 coulomb per kg. So that concludes question number 1, and we are done with it. Thank you for watching this video.